अमेरिका और चाइना के दरमियान टेक और फाइनेंस वॉर चल रही है, उसको समझने के लिए आज हम थ्री इडियट्स मूवी का सहारा लेंगे। थ्री इडियट्स फिल्म में चतुर नाम का ये जो कैरेक्टर है, ये कहता है कि फर्स्ट आने के दो ही तरीके हैं, या तो अपने नंबर बढ़ा लो या दूसरों के कम कर। तो अमेरिका बेसिकली वो स्टूडेंट है जो दूसरों के नंबर हमेशा कम करने में लगा रहता है ताकि वो दुनिया में नंबर 1 पे रह सके। लेकिन फिर एक ऐसा स्टूडेंट मैदान में आता है जिसका नाम चाइना है। बेसिकली वो ये समझ जाता है कि भैया अपने नंबर बढ़ाना बहुत जरूरी है अमेरिका को डिफीट करने के लिए, और फिर वो मेहनत करता है। और अब तो उसने कई सेक्टर्स के अंदर अपने नंबर इतने बढ़ा लिए हैं कि अमेरिका को वो कुत्ते की मौत मार चुका है। और ये सब कुछ देखकर मेरे दिल को और ये नंबर्स इतने बढ़ चुके हैं, इतने इंक्रीज हो चुके हैं कि दुनिया भर के जो तर्जिया निगार हैं वो इस तरह की तरजीह दे रहे हैं।
Where do you think China fits into this story?
Oh, it's crucial. Look, Donald Trump was a visionary bastard. He was a bastard, but he was a visionary bastard. And you can see that because Biden is taking one leaf after the next from Trump's book. The targeting of China as an enemy of the United States and the instigation of a new Cold War was Trump's work, and Biden is continuing. What is the real issue about China? What do they want from China? Because, let's face it, I mean, Apple doesn't like it. They produce all their iPhones there. So what is this? This is not a repetition of the Cold War, the original one against the Soviet Union. The American industry was not producing anything in the Soviet Union prior to 1989. So what are they doing here? Well, my estimation, Rick, is that there are two sectors that they want to take over in China. Two sectors that really piss them off, that they do not control. One is Chinese big tech. Because let's face it, Europe is useless. We don't have a Google competitor, an Amazon competitor, a Facebook competitor, a Netflix competitor, right? This is all American, and Europe has nothing. We are totally in the clasps of American imperialism when it comes to this. The Chinese have huge conglomerates doing excellent work. They have their own Twitter, they have their own Facebook, they have their own Google, they have their own Amazon, they have their own Apple in Huawei, right? They produce better 5G networks and faster trains than anybody in the world. And they want their hands on this. American big tech wants to penetrate and take over the data management systems of the Chinese big tech. This is what Trump was aiming at. He was effectively blackmailing the Chinese government, the Chinese Communist Party. Cold War, maybe a hot war, or you let us access your data services. That was one area. And the second area is finance. Of course, finance has always been in the eye of Chinese finance has always been in the eye of Wall Street. The Chinese very smartly are maintaining their barriers, their capital controls. This is actually good even for capitalism, for the American economy, but the administrations in Washington, DC are not clever enough to understand that if this real estate bubble bursts, then it's good to have these barriers up, but they want those barriers down because they want to expand into finance in China. So this is what the new Cold War is about. It's a very dangerous business, and it's a very stupid strategy by Washington, DC.
And why?
Well, because firstly, we may end up with a war in the South China Sea, in the Taiwan Straits, in Taiwan itself, a war that nobody is going to win. And secondly, because Biden must understand that which Trump didn't. But I don't think that Biden is smarter than Trump. After all, he's a nicer man, but he's not smarter. That a very cruel God would grant him his wish and lower the capital control barriers with China for the reasons I said. Because then any crisis in the shadow banking system in China, for instance, would immediately be transmitted to the United States.
It's not just that the Americans, that Trump initially and Biden later, worried that big tech in China is rising. It's not just that. That would not worry them so much on its own. It is that Chinese big tech, a company like Alibaba or Tencent or Huawei, is rising in a country where the banking sector does not have autonomous power, unlike Britain with the City of London and America with Wall Street. In China, because of the power of the Chinese Communist Party, the political power, the big tech companies and the banks have fused. They become one. So you have an app like WeChat, which is Elon Musk's wet dream. What Elon Musk wants to do with Twitter is to replicate WeChat. WeChat, imagine an app that does everything. It shows you photographs, it plays music, it shows movies, it allows you to communicate, it's got something like Facebook on it, and allows you free payments. Free payments. You make payments and the bank does not retain anything either from you or from the vendor. The Americans do not have that. And they do not have that not because they don't have the technology to have that, but because JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, Bank of America will never allow Google and Apple to get away with it, to take over their business. But if you fuse together big tech with big finance, you have something much more powerful, which is what the Chinese have done, than what the Americans have created.
दोस्तों, ये है हकीकत चाइना वर्सेस यूएस के ट्रेड और टेक वॉर की, कि कैसे चाइना अपने कम्युनिस्ट सिस्टम की वजह से अमेरिका के जो फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम है उसको कैसे उस सिस्टम को हाईजैक करता जा रहा है। क्योंकि अमेरिकन कंपनीज के बीच में, टेक कंपनीज के बीच में, चाहे वो फाइनेंस कंपनी है, उनके बीच में कंपटीशन है, जिसकी वजह से वो डाटा शेयरिंग या प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग नहीं करती। इसीलिए वो कंपनीज पीछे रहती जा रही हैं, जबकि चाइनीज कंपनी के बीच में कोई कंपटीशन नहीं है, इसीलिए वो डाटा शेयरिंग और प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग करती हैं। तो यही वजह है कि चाइनीज कंपनीज अमेरिकन कंपनी से आगे निकलती जा रही हैं, फाइनेंशियली भी और टेक्नोलॉजिकली भी। तो इस तरह चाइना अपने जो चाइनीज गवर्नमेंट की जो पावर है उसको यूज करते हुए वहाँ के बैंकिंग सेक्टर और वहाँ के जो टेक्नोलॉजिकल सेक्टर है उन्हें कंबाइन करके अमेरिका से ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग होता जा रहा है। ये थी हकीकत चाइना और अमेरिका की जो टेक और ट्रेड वार है उसकी। अगर आपको हमारा कंटेंट, हमारी वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो हमारे इस चैनल एसके डॉक्यूमेंट्रीज एंड स्टोरीज को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए, दूसरे के साथ शेयर कीजिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।